Hey guys, I'm Sushmita, your crypto guide, and in today's video I'll be talking about FUD. The expression fear, uncertainty and doubt describes the act of spreading dubious or false information about a business, startup or cryptocurrency project. It propagates negative sentiments that spread around the traders and investors when the bad news comes out and when the market presents a strong bearish downtrend. The traditional meaning of FUD relates to a malicious marketing strategy that involves the dissemination of negative information about the competitors of a particular company with the final goal to undermine their credibility. It invites unfavorable opinions and speculation about the products and services of competing businesses so that customers lose confidence in them. People who spread FUD are called FUDsters. Investors need to watch out for FUDsters and unwarranted FUD as they may lead to sell-offs and decrease in coin value. The Chinese government deciding to ban mining and trading of crypto and intensifying scrutiny of blockchain assets by some US regulators are some peak FUD moments. And this was FUD. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.